Greetings everyone, I'm Clark Russell Arvin Rao, but you can call me Clark. I'm 19 years old and I currently live in Malabon City. For those wondering where I last school attended, I graduated at Immaculate Conception Academy of Malabon. I took the Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics strand in academic track and chose NU as my companion in this college journey. Unfortunately, I didn't get accepted into my dream university, but I chose NU for its affordable tuition fees and its recent 100% MTLE board passing rate. Additionally, my hobbies includes listening to music, studying, watching movies, and hanging out with my friends. I'm also interested in playing indoor and outdoor games, traveling, and listening to music. Furthermore, spending my favorite moments was those spent with God, my family, and most importantly, my girl. I always cherish all the moments we spent together, whether it's praying, bonding with them, sharing our thoughts, and more. Additionally, I'm a guy who believes in love, loyalty, and faith. Even though I'm not a perfect guy, but I try to grow every day. Lastly, again, I'm Clark, a future medical technologist with a striving mind and heart for helping. I see microscopes not just as a tool, but as a doorway that could save lives of other people.